Okay, so our Go Math lesson, section 11.3, ways to name amounts. We are on page 373. All right, how do you order coins to help find the total value of coins? Oh, you guys should know that. How do we order coins to know the total value? Whenever we count coins, we always put them from what? Ooh, complete opposite. From greatest to... Good. You always start counting the coins with the largest value first. So you count from largest to smallest. Line up the coins from greatest value to least value, then draw the coins in that order. So let's see what the coins are they want us to draw. Oh, okay. So basically all the coins. So what is the coin with the greatest value? A quarter. Very good. Actually, it's a $50, but we're talking about, I'll wait. But we're mostly focusing on the main four coins, okay? So the quarter has the largest value. And what has the next largest value, Mariah? The dime, and that is how much? 10 cents. And what's the coin with the next largest value, Dustin? A nickel, and that is worth 5 cents. And then class, what's the least? Everyone? 1 cent. It's a penny. Very good. All right. So we're just going to do it once, and then we're going to move on. All right, order the coins from greatest value to least value, then write the total value 2 ways. So 2 different ways. This is fun. It's basically telling you that 62 cents is the same as $0.62. I got ahead of myself. First, let's do it step by step. It says order the coins from greatest value to least value first. So what's the coin with the greatest value in this bundle right here? The quarter. The quarter is worth... And they already wrote it here, but they forgot to cross it out, so we're going to cross it out for them. Now, what's the next coin with the largest value? The other quarter, that's also worth 25 cents. So let's write 25 cents here. Or, I'm sorry, let's write 50 cents. You're right. Because 2 quarters makes 50 cents. And then we go to the coin with the next largest value, which is the dime is worth... So what's 50 plus 10? 60. So this will be 60 cents. 25.50 plus 10 is 60. Now what's the coin with the next largest value? 2 pennies, 61 and 62. So you would write 61 cents here. And then 62 cents here. So how many cents are there total? 62 cents. So they're showing you this is how you write 62 cents. You can also write it with a $sign, 0 decimal 62. If you do not have a decimal there, it's completely incorrect. The decimal is what separates the dollars from the cents. It's very, very important. So today... you are going to draw and label the coins from greatest to least value, and then you're going to write the total value 2 ways, just like we did up here. So let's look at number 1 together. What's the coin with the largest value in number 1? A quarter is worth 25 cents. So we're going to write 25 cents first, right? What's the coin with the next largest value? The nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. So what's 25 plus 5? 20 cents. Let's see, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 25 plus 5 is 30. So 30 cents. And then what's 30 plus another 5? What's 30 plus 5? 35. So then you're going to write 35 cents, and then we have 2 pennies, which is just counting by ones, 2 times. So 35, 36, 37. Very good. And I don't have enough room to write that, but 37. All right, so how do we write that? 37 cents. Or it can be written with a dollar sign, $0, decimal 37. Now you have to write it both ways. You don't get the option to write it this way or that way. That's wrong. You have to write it both ways. Now if I'm writing it, when I write it this way, you are not putting a cent sign at the end. Remember, I told you guys that in the beginning of the lesson. That's going to be one of the questions on your test. If it has a dollar sign, it does not need a cent sign. That decimal tells me that this is a cent. These are cents. You don't need to draw the cent sign. Do you understand? All right. I'm going to give you some time to do number 2 and 3 by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, so let's look at number 2. The coin with the largest value is the quarter, and it's worth 25 cents. So I wrote 25 first. And then the next coin with the largest value is a dime, and that's worth 10 cents. So now I'm going to say 25 plus 10 is 35 cents. And then I'm going to write a comma, and now I'm going to add the next 10. What's 35 plus 10 more? 45. Good job. So then I'm going to write 45 cents. And now plus 5 more cents. What's 45 plus 5? 50 cents. And then plus 1. What's 50 plus 1? 51. So what's your answer, class? 51 cents. And when you write that in dollar format, it looks like dollar sign, 0, decimal, 51 cents. Now, do I write a cent sign? No. Let's look at number 3. We have how many quarters? 2 quarters, and we know that that 2 quarters makes how much? 50 cents. So I'm going to write 25 cents, comma, 50 cents, comma. The next one is a dime, and that's worth 10 cents. What's 50 plus 10? 60 cents. And then 60 plus 5 is? 65 cents. So this is 65 cents. You also can write that by dollar sign, 0, decimal, 65. Do you agree? Yeah. Does everybody have this written down? No. All right, I'll give you time to write this down now. Pause the video now. All right, I'm going to ask you to do number 4, 5, and 6 on your own. So go ahead and do it the way I showed you above, and then you can pause the video now. Okay, let's go back on number 4 and check our work. So number 4, we have 2 quarters. That makes 50 cents. 25 plus 25 is 50. Plus 3 cents, 51, 52, 53. You should have written it down like this. Check your work. Make sure it's right. 53 cents is the same as $0 and 53 cents. All right. Number 5. Number 5 is a quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. Plus a dime is 60 cents. Plus a nickel is 65. Plus another nickel is 70. So the total value of the coins on number 5 is 70 cents. And you can also write that in dollar format by dollar sign 0 decimal 70. Number 6, the answer is 56 cents. Draw the quarter first, 25 cents, plus a dime, 35, plus another dime, 45, and then plus a 25 plus 35, and then 45, 55, and then plus one more is 56. Is that right? Number 7. Paulo has some coins. He needs 1 nickel to make $1. What is the total value of his coins? He's 1 nickel away from $1. So if $1 is the same as how many cents? If $1 is the same as 100 cents, and he needs 5 more to get to 100, what's 100 take away 5? 95 cents. So what is the total value of his coins? 95 cents. That was easy. To get that answer, you just have to know that 100 cents is the same as $1. So 95 cents, you can either write it 95 with a cent sign, or you can write $0 decimal 95. If you want me to go back to the ones on the top, give me just a minute and I'll go back for you later, okay? All right, number 8. We're not going to do Professor Berger today. We're going to try to figure this out on our own. Number 8, it's multi-step. That means it's a 2-step problem. Blake only has nickels and dimes. Nickels are 5 cents and dimes are 10. He has twice as many nickels as dimes. Twice as many nickels as dimes. That means 2 times as many nickels as dimes. The total value of his coins is 60 cents. What coins does Blake have? He has twice as many nickels as dimes. So who wants to start? We have to start with dimes first. How many dimes do you want to start off with? This is a guess and check kind of question. Dustin? 5. You want to do 5 dimes first? Okay, if I have 5 dimes is the same as 50 cents. And he has twice as many nickels. That means he has 10 nickels. Are we already too much? Yes. So let's try a number smaller than 5. Number of dimes that are smaller than 5. Amaria? You want to do 4? Okay, 4 dimes is 40 cents. And then if we do 2 times as many nickels, that means we're going to do 8 nickels. And 8 nickels is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then 40 plus 40 is 80 cents, and that's too much. Let's guess another number. Smaller than 10. Smaller than 4. Because we already know 4 is too much. JC? 2 dimes. Let's try 2 dimes. If we have 2 dimes, and each dime is worth 10 cents, then we have 20 cents here, right? 2 dimes that are equal to 20 cents. Now, if I have to double the value of nickels, then nickels are 4 nickels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 times 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 cents plus 20 cents is 40 cents. Is that right? No. So who wants to try another number? Bernaya? 1 dime? Okay. If I have 1 dime, that's 10 cents, and that means I'll have double that many nickels. So I'll have 2 nickels. That makes 10, and that makes 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Is that enough? No. Leah? 3 dimes? Let's try. 3 dimes makes how many cents? 30 cents. And if I have 3 dimes that are 30 cents, then I have... Whoa, something just cracked over here. Then I have 6 nickels. If I have 6 nickels, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 30 plus 30 is 60. Good job, Leah. So how many nickels do I have, class? No, how many nickels? I have 6 nickels. How many dimes? 3 dimes. Yes? Very good. Okay, go ahead and complete pages 376 to 378 on your own. All right, try your best, guys. I'll see you later.